Happy Doctor's Day. Good morning, team. This one is for you. As doctors, we have a day assigned to us. However, we hardly get to really celebrate it. For me, a Doctor's Day is about just remembering why I took the profession. It never came to me that this was my monetary ideal or this was supposed to be the core where I would earn money from really. I took it up because I thought I had something in me to offer to the world in terms of what I would have gained through the 20-25 years the world gave it to me in terms of education. That's why I am more academically inclined. Have a certain idea in my mind which is what drives commerce or commercial interests with me. But beyond that point, it's completely the fact that I want my patient to be happy. I want my people who I'm caring for to be cared for. The attention they need, they should receive. And beyond that, a doctor's day is a doctor's day, but it's still a patient's day. So I'm for my patients, I remain there for my patients, and I hope each one of us shares a similar vision. Yes, we can be different. Some of us may have commerce as a priority, some of us may have something else as a priority, but never forsaken can we have a different priority than the well-being of our patient, because if you talk of customer service, it is his satisfaction that end of the day pays us. It is always said that a satisfied customer is the best marketeer. So a satisfied patient, a happy patient is the best marketeer for us. Remember that. Also, taking this opportunity to wish everyone a happy Doctor's Day, I also publicly release the monthly 4-pager magazine as of today. The number of pages may increase over a period of time depending how it shapes up, how everyone contributes to it. Remember, you can write in Hindi, I can translate it to English, so don't shy from sharing your views. It's all about reading, it's all about putting your thoughts on paper. It need not be there in books. Articles are never written in books. You actually write your own thoughts and be sharing, be open. That also helps you evolve as professionals, as practicing professionals, and helps engage with patients, with people who you care for. They love to know you, they love to know your ideals, they love to know your thoughts, and they love to align by it. So hope that the next issue will have greater participation from other members who are not a part of this issue, and we'll see a better application of things. Let's celebrate lemon along with the Doctor's Day, and feel free to share it across with anybody you want, anyone who's not your patient, just your relative, just your friend, just your know-how. It's all about you. It's all about information. It's all about thoughts being shared, and magazines, papers, newspapers, they can be shared anywhere with anybody. So don't feel that it is not only for patients or it is internal. It is for the public use. Feel free to circulate all across. Let people know that you are a part of a platform which does not really mint money. For that matter, it does not mint money. It rather celebrates existence of human life and cares for human life. Thank you.